Custer County Museum, 1881 courthouse. I remember being here a few years back, and I wanted to go on into it. It was either closed or I didn't have time. Can't remember. I think that's the same video as when I was 8 down here. This might do that today, but there's something that caught my eye before going over to here. That's back here. I want to take a closer look at. Let's go back there and take a look at that. There's old saddles. Oh man, I didn't know safes looked like that back then. I wonder what that says. Fit for fanning mill. Okay. Yeah, covered wagon there. Oh, there's an interesting bit of history there. The back of the saddle. Back prior to the World War days. Okay, let's better take a better read of that, you know, if I can get a better angle. Because it wasn't always what it became to be known as for. Okay. Yeah, I'll take and hold it steady here. I don't know if it's okay. Alright, let's take and hold it steady there, and you can pause and read it. Okay. Alright. Okay, note the swastika design on the cantle, or the back of the seat of this saddle. Most widely known as the symbol of the Nazi Party in Germany. It had been used much earlier. It was used back in ancient times by the Greeks on their coins as a symbol of prosperity. The Indians of the U.S. Southwest, but I'm gonna hold that straight. I'm reading it off the paper, not the phone, so that's why it's kind of not really aimed. The Indians of the U.S. Southwest used the swastika symbol to decorate many of their handmade items, such as their jewelry, rugs, and stuff. Call the symbol the whirling logs. The symbol was considered to be good luck to many of the early white Westerners who had been in contact with the Indians. Oh, there we go. It was widely used by later cowboys in holster and saddle decoration. An old building in Thermopolis, Wyoming, has swastikas in the brickwork at the top front. Okay, yep, that was the pre-World War days, World War II days. Got horse collars in the back there, harnesses and stuff, it looks like. 1919 Model T Ford 3/4 ton truck. Gosh. Christie's Service Center, Deerfield, Wisconsin. Okay. Let's see, is this 1909 International Harvester, is it? Yeah. Carriage house, constructed from original plans. Cool. Oh, wow. Gosh, this is cool. Okay. Blacksmith shop with forge, tools, anvils, tongs, and hammers. Cool. Hmm. '70s buckboard. Yeah. Stagecoach. Okay, here's rules. If you're going to ride on a stagecoach, you must know all this. So, okay, there we go. Early 1880s original stagecoach used on Cheyenne Deadwood Route. Oh, wow. Photo of this coach in the early days at Sylvan Lake Hotel. Wow. And that's it. The actual stagecoach, this one right here. Oh, wow. Man alive. I am in the presence of some Western history here. Gosh, that's so cool. You gotta get me with the authentic stagecoach behind me. Beautiful. Yeah. That is so neat. Now let's take a look at a printing shop. Alright, let's go see what that is. Oh, a fence. Oh, cool. There's a prop in the 1990 movie Dances with Wolves. Okay. I just came in contact with Dances with Wolves. Cool. Man. Oh, wow. Well, we could go and look in the windows. Yeah. Oh, look at those even pictures. Hmm. Yeah, I was not expecting all this. I thought I was just going to be looking at a few wagons and stuff. May as well look at all this. People on the side. Okay, you got me. Oh, okay, let's take a look in there. Outdoor plumbing. J.C. Penney catalog on the floor there. That's what they probably used to wipe. Cool. There's some history for the information for the stagecoach. Okay, the last one was February 19, 1887. Yeah, the last Cheyenne and Black Hills stage left Cheyenne, Wyoming on February 19, 1887. A duration of 11 years. Hmm. Hey, dude. Mind if we take a look inside the cabin? Okay, a lot of information here. Yeah, cool. So we go with that fire. Hmm. There's Seth Bullock. Yeah, Theodore. Teddy. Jesse James slept here. Outlaw. Wow. Here we go. Man, that was interesting.